Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am sitting here in Washington, D.C. This is where our office is. Our clients are all throughout the country, and we help them with all types of immigration applications. So happy Friday for you guys. I hope you have something fun planned for the weekend. I'm here before you start your weekend. I'm here for you if you have immigration questions. I have a few that I want to go over. We are streaming live on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook right now. So it's TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. If you've never joined me before, if this is your first time meeting me, say hello. Tell me where you're from. I am from Washington, D.C. area, I guess. I've lived here for a really long time, for about 25 years now. And our office right here is in Washington, D.C., but I grew up in Connecticut. My parents immigrated from India, if you're wondering, when I was 8 years old. So I was born in Goa in India, and then my parents immigrated from Goa to Connecticut. Lived there until I went to college, and then have settled down here in the Washington, D.C. area. The firm is called Agarwal Law Group, and we are headquartered here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the country, so we help them with immigration matters no matter where they are located, and this is because immigration is considered a federal practice, so no matter where you are in the U.S., we can help you with your immigration case. So you don't necessarily need a lawyer that is barred in the state that you're in. They just need to be in good standing in any bar. So if you have immigration questions, this is an opportunity for you to put in some general immigration questions. If you would like to have a confidential consultation, please send us a message on Facebook. You can also go on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, or our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle. You can schedule directly from there right now. You can also call our office at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Give us a call. We'd love to chat with you about your immigration case. We would love to figure out how we can help you with your immigration case. Hi, NM. If you want a shout out, say hello. Hi, Fatima. Hi, Alex. Hi, let's see. Oh, Padmini. That's my sister's name too. Great. So let me start off with our question of the day. Don't forget to share this post with others if you think they might want to jump in here for an immigration conversation. Hey, Gora, nice to see you. Feel free to put your questions in here. If you want a confidential consultation, make sure you schedule that directly on our website or on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration. The consultations are with me. We go over your issue. We figure out what you're eligible for, and then depending on what you're eligible for, we'll walk you through the process, and we will walk you through all of the fees step by step, start to finish, so you will leave the consultation with some really, really valuable information. Great. So the question of the day here is, how can I win a VAWA case? How can I win a VAWA case? So you can win a VAWA case by satisfying the requirements, and the requirements for VAWA are, number one, if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. This is for marriage-based VAWA, right? So if you're married to an abusive U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you've lived with them for a certain period of time, the marriage is real, it's not just for immigration purposes, and there's abuse in the marriage. So those are the requirements for VAWA. The main piece of proof is a statement from you, which is a declaration that details all of the various forms of abuse. Our law firm would help you put that together. But if you can show that you're married to an abusive green card holder spouse or a U.S. citizen spouse, you've lived with them, it's a real marriage, not just for immigration, then you can qualify for VAWA. And what does that mean? What are the benefits of VAWA? So if you qualify for VAWA, you will get what's called a prima facie determination in just 2 or 3 months, which gives you access to public benefits, which can help you get a driver's license. Secondly, you will get a social security number and work permit if you're able to file VAWA and adjustment of status, which is a green card application. Most of our clients are eligible to do VAWA and green card. And then lastly, you will have a green card in 2 to 2.5 years if you're able to file VAWA and green card. You find this out through a consultation. We can go through your facts, your history, We'd love to chat with you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, awesome. Let me look at some of your questions. I don't have a ton of time today, so I might just be here a few minutes, but hey, Leo, thank you for joining. I want to say and remind you to follow us on TikTok, on YouTube, and Facebook. Our handle is Agarwal Immigration. If you have friends or family that might be interested in this immigration conversation, please share this post with them. If you don't know me, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We help with all types of immigration applications, including family, humanitarian like U visas, victims of trafficking, victims of crime, which is U visa, victims of abuse like VAWA. We have many, many clients that we're helping with VAWA. And we do all types of employment cases as well, like H-1Bs. You name it, we do it. Immigration, employment-based immigration, e-visas, EB-5, really, we've done it all. O visas, L visas, all of them, essentially. So my point is we do a lot of immigration applications. We do them through Facebook. We do them all the time in all different ways. It's Friday, it's end of the week, my brain is fried, so apologies for me being a little stumbling on my words here. Okay, perfect. Put your questions in, and I would love to chat with you more. Gora saying, how long does it take to get an EAD with a pending VAWA application? That's a great question. For those who may not have heard me the first time, I am on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook right now. The question is, how long will it take to get an EAD, which is a work permit, with a VAWA application pending? So usually it's between 6 months and 8 months from the time you file. So that is the average time frame. It might take a little bit longer, it might take a little bit less time. It's okay. It doesn't mean anything about your case. If the government needs more information, they will ask. But the average time is between 6 months to 8 months from the time that you filed your VAWA application. Call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. It's been 4 months. It's been 4 months since I filed my VAWA. I received my prima facie, but no biometrics. When will I receive it? So you get your biometrics after you file VAWA, usually about 5 months after you apply. So that is the timeline. In about 5 months, give or take a month. So it could take a little bit longer. That's okay. Don't worry. They might just be really busy that month. So the average time frame is about 5 months. I wouldn't worry. It will move forward. If the government needs more information or if they don't think you've qualified, they will certainly let you know. If you need help with your VAWA application, reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Oops, sorry. Oh, that's a great question. So what are the chances to win VAWA if you've been abused by your spouse? That is a really good question. So what are the chances to win VAWA if you've been abused by your spouse? So if you have lived with your spouse, if it was a real marriage, and your spouse is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, your chances are pretty good. If you can show through your declaration the various types of abuses, if you can be truthful and accurate, you have a strong chance. But to really see if you're eligible, you should have a consultation with an immigration attorney that has experience with VAWAs. You can call us. We would love to have a consultation with you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Ma'am, it's been 4 months and I haven't received my prima facie determination letter. Is that okay? Most likely, sure, it's fine. If you used a law firm to file your application and their experience with VAWAs, they most likely filed all the components. It might take a little bit longer. Remember, the government gets a lot of applications every month. It's a little bit different, so it might take them a little bit longer depending on when you filed and who else filed at the same time. It's okay. Don't worry about it, right? If there was an issue, it would have come up, especially when you work with a law firm and we do a background check for you as part of the application. If there were issues, your lawyer would have notified. So it just means that there's a delay in the processing center, and it doesn't mean that there's anything bad about your case. If we can help you with your VAWA application, don't hesitate to call us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and I help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. My sister's here. Hey, Leo. He says, my sister's here. She won the DV lottery and she never had added her kids on her application. What can she do? So if her kids are here, she might be able to add them now to her application and file for their green card if they're already here in the United States. Call us and we can see how we can help you. We'll give you all of the steps and we'd be happy to help you as well. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation right now if you want to get on my calendar. Go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can go on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. And you can schedule a consultation right there, see my availability. But if you want to call, we'll call you back on Monday since we're headed out for the weekend, 703-348-1663. Bob says, how much is the consultation fee? The consultation fee is $150. That's $150. It is through Zoom or by phone for that price. If you want to come into the office, it's a little bit more. Most of my clients do consultations by Zoom or phone. And what we do is we discuss your immigration history. I ask questions, and then we go through step by step with visuals the process that is involved to get you a work permit and a green card. We walk you through the full timelines. You see everything step by step. And we go through fees and everything that is involved and answer any questions you might have as well. Okay, so it's a pretty in-depth consultation about you and your immigration history and what all is involved in getting you a work permit and a green card, and how we tell you how our firm prepares an application, what you can expect from us. So pretty much cover everything in a consultation. I'd love for you to schedule one. You can do that by going on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. You can do that on our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle, or you can call our office, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Ligai Bishna says, how long does it take to get an I-824 approved? How long does it take to get an I-824 approved? An I-824 is usually used if you filed for consular processing of a green card and then somehow now you're changing it to adjustment of status, right? So basically, if you filed for a green card for someone outside the country and then you're switching it to them being inside the country, or vice versa, you could do it the other way around too. So basically, you're changing the process of how you initially file the application. It actually doesn't take that long. The normal processing time takes says 2 years or something. I remember it was much longer than it actually took. It did not take that long for our firm. So I think for us, it was just a few months, but you can check the processing times on the USCIS website. Just Google USCIS processing times, put your form number in and put the center in, center that's processing your application, and you'll be able to see how long it takes. So you'll get an average from them as well. Okay. Fatima says, I have a combo card, VAWA. I received a prima facie. Congratulations. That's exciting. That's the first step to getting a work permit, Social Security if you don't already have one, and a green card. I hope for you. Most people, it's a green card as well. All right, awesome. Aman, KT, Hamza, Pinky, Sharda, thank you all for joining. It's wonderful to see all of you on a Friday. I'm sure you have many, many more fun, interesting things to do instead of talking with me. Last question will be, what happens if my green card expires, right? I'm a green card holder and my green card expired. Will I get deported? No, you won't get deported. So if you have a 10-year green card and a green card expired, you are still considered a green card holder. Apply for that new green card as soon as you can, okay? Give us a call at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And we can help you schedule a consultation. All right. Awesome. It's so wonderful to see all of you. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I will be wishing the best for your immigration dreams. If you want to give us a call, you're more than welcome to do that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Go on our Facebook page, go on our website. If you want to schedule a consultation with me, you can do, our website is, it's agarwalimmigration.com. If you call and leave a voicemail, we will certainly get back to you on Monday. I would love to meet many of you for a meeting to discuss how we can help you with your immigration status. And that's all. That's all for tonight, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye.